Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so if you've been watching me here lately, I have been doing subscriber shout outs for all of my subscribers that always comment down below, show they love, show they support. I just want to show you guys that I truly do appreciate you so much. So today's subscriber shout out goes to my girl Shelly House. Shout out to you, Shelly, for always supporting me and just loving me and supporting all of my videos. You've been rocking with me for a very long time, and I truly do appreciate it. Now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking today was caught by me with my own coins, and you guys know if I cop a unit with my own coins, I like to give myself a little shout out, honey. Okay, I like to congratulate myself. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Shout out to you, Chrissy, for copping a unit with your own coins. So the unit that I am rocking is by Outre. It is from the Converti-Cap collection. It says deluxe cap lace flat, bacterial resistant, and tested by SGS. I don't know who that is. So the unit that I have is their Soiree. I don't know. Unit, and I do have it in the color 1B. It says heat resistant fiber, high tech. Safe up to 400 degrees, and inside of the unit it says 1 wig 1 million ways, and then it's kind of showing you guys different ways you can style this particular unit. It says limitless styling possibility, reveal your own hairline for a realistic look, breathable and flexible cap that lays flat, adjustable drawstring for a custom fit, premium synthetic fibers. And then on the back, it gives you the special colors, and it gives you a side and back view of the unit. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And this was the style that I was kind of going for right here, but with the headband. And then it's just kind of showing you guys different ways you can kind of style this unit. And then on the inside is showing you more ways you can style the wig. I love this with the clip right here. That's cute. And then on the back, it shows the special colors and a side and back view of the wig. Okay, so with these types of wigs, I kind of treat them like headband wigs, okay? Like an inexpensive headband wig, just like I would with a half wig. I treat half wigs nowadays like headband wigs because I feel like that is a good alternative. If you want a headband wig, but you don't want to spend the money for a human hair headband wig, you can always use a half wig and do the same thing, honey. Ever since I seen Is That Your Hair do that, I was like, yes, girl, come through, okay? So yeah, that's what I did with this particular wig. I just basically turned it into yet another headband wig. The thing is, with these units, they don't come with the headband, which on the plus side makes it easier to do other styles with it other than wearing it as a headband wig. So that is always a plus in my opinion. So with this wig, as I stated, I am wearing it as a headband wig, but I got it because I thought this little style was so cute. Like, I love the waves, and I love that it gives a more natural, more realistic effect. The hair isn't really silky. It's not super yucky, but it does lean more towards yucky than silky in my opinion. And if you know me, then honey, you know I definitely prefer yucky over silky. Like, that's just kind of like my thing, girl, okay? So yeah, I really just love the texture of this unit. And I have another one, another Converti-Cap, and I felt like it was a more tangly wig, and I wasn't loving it, but it was the length, I feel like. But with this one, it's a shorter length, so I was like, let's give you another try, okay? Because I think in that video, I was like, I'm done. Ain't gonna be no more tries over here. But when I saw this one, I could not pass it up. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, this unit has not shedded so far. It does not tangle whatsoever. So that is always a plus in my book. And yeah, y'all, as far as it being big head friendly, it does have a drawstring. So I feel like this unit is just versatile all around the board. I feel like if you have a small, medium, or large, or water head, honey, okay, you can make this wig work. So that is always a plus. So yeah, those are pretty much the details and specs with this unit. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and as I stated, it does have that drawstring, which is like a drawstring ponytail sort of vibe. Yeah, that's pretty much as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're wondering how I feel about this unit as well as a full 360, because I don't have to do a length check, because honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in that, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really feeling this wig. I love the length of it. I love the waves. I love everything about this unit. And if I'm not mistaken, it's super affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and look it up because honestly, I don't remember. Okay, child, so this unit is $14, honey. And for $14, honey, I love this unit. I feel like it's so much you can do with this unit without breaking the freaking bank, girl, okay? Because we ain't always trying to break the bank, especially me, honey. I'm El Cheapo over here. So if you're like me and you ain't trying to break the bank, this unit is a plus. Like, it really is. I didn't look up any reviews on it. I just saw it. I thought it was really cute, and I was like, I'm gonna cop her. Even though I look like my forehead is my forehead is a 5 head, it's still a cute wig. Like, I just really like the unit. So I am definitely feeling this wig. This is probably maybe one of my favorite headband wigs, including human hair wigs. Like, I am really feeling it. I think it's a look. I think it's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am, because honey, to me, she is a whole look. So let me know down below, because I am honestly interested in hearing what you guys think about this unit. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and excuse this. This right here is makeup. Okay, I ended up putting makeup on my headband while putting it on. Honey, don't judge me. If you want makeup, you get it. You get it, girl. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you think it's a look? Do you like it as much as I do? If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. Hopefully it's still available. Yeah, it's fully stocked right now. So hopefully it is still available by the time you guys see this video, child, because sometimes they just get gone out of nowhere. So yeah, I am really feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.